Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I have a little news for you. I'm actually moving to a new house. So today in this video, I'm gonna walk you through what you need to do before moving and after moving. So let's hop in. So the first thing you have to do before moving is reserve the elevator. In apartments, you have to get this done in 5 to 7 days advance of the moving day because it requires a special use, and if you do not reserve it, you might not be able to use it. So when you're done with the reservation, the building usually provides protective padding in order to prevent any damage, and it would look something like this. Before moving out, you also need to settle your bills. You have to check your water, electricity, and other utility costs in the management office. If you have your automatic payment set up, please make sure you cancel them, or the money might keep getting withdrawn to your account even after you move out. So make sure you pay everything in advance so you don't get charged later. For large items like furniture, you can't just throw them away like regular trash. Woo! You have to buy a special disposer sticker and attach it before throwing it out. You can get these stickers at convenience stores or community centers, and if you don't follow this process, you might get fined. Gas bills are a little different from other utilities. You have to contact a city gas company for a final settlement. Then they will check your usage and tell you the exact amount. Then you can pay it on site or through bank transfer. The first thing you have to do after you move in is to go to the management office. You have to register as an official resident, and this allows you to access to important information and bills. One more important thing is to change the door lock password. The previous resident might know it, so changing it is important for your safety. Here's a useful tip. There is something called a long-term repair fund. It is included in your maintenance fee, so you can get it back when you move out. So don't forget to check it. To sum up, before moving out, please do not leave anything behind. And after moving in, please make sure you're registering everything correctly for a fresh new start. I hope this video helped you, and for more information, you can check the posters at the end of the video. I'll be moving on, guys! See you in the next video! Please make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Bye!